How's it going, everyone? Well, today is the full moon. The full moon happens to be in Scorpio, which is governed by Mars. It also happens to be on a Tuesday, which is also governed by Mars, which is also the god of war, a planet of that driving masculine aggression and opposition, conflict. So I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to neutralize a baneful magical attack using radionics. And this is a technique that I learned from a video that Charles Cosimano put out a few years ago. He's also known as Uncle Chucky, and he's one of the pioneers in the art of radionics. So the first thing you can do is get a piece of paper, get a little pen. You guys like my mermaid pen? And so the first thing you want to do, and this is going to seem really counterproductive, it's not going to seem very intuitive, but this is how you do it. You focus your energy, your intent, your awareness on that magical attack, on that malefic energy heading your way, and you breathe it into you. Now, as soon as you breathe it into you, you kind of focus on it and dial it, and then just kind of start like an automatic writing. Just scribble, and then it'll be just like an automatic writing where you'll just feel it stop, where you just know that you have that energy scribbled down on a piece of paper into a thought form. Okay, so now all you do is place that thought form, that scribbled automatic writing, face down on the input plate, dial your rate. Okay. And now, before you turn it on, before you do any of that, we're going to flip all these dials to their mirror image. And one of the easy ways to do that is, these are 1 to 100. So just take 100 and minus the number that the dial is on. So, like if your dial's on 80, take 100 minus 80, then you're going to move it to 20, And after you do this a few times, you can just switch it to mirror image. So I'm just going to go and dial all of these, flip a mirror image. Everything's minus 100. Boom. And now turn it on. Now everything's completely neutralized. Now, let's say you're about ready to head to work. You only had 5 minutes. Now you're totally safe from that magical attack until you have time to deal with it. And if you leave this run long enough, it'll probably just cancel itself out and the curse will go away. But you're still going to want to have to deal with it, Clean your aura, take a salt bath, do whatever you need to do, Now, if you know who your attacker is, you can take that same thought form, and instead of neutralizing it, you can take the picture of the person that attacked you. And it doesn't even have to be a person that someone attacked you. Maybe there's someone else you don't like, or, has wronged you, or whatever, Maybe it's your favorite politician. I don't know. I'm not going to judge you. Place that on the output, or even right here if you want. Dial your rate. Bring it over. Now that baneful magic is going straight from you, straight to the person who attacked you, or again, some other bad guy, I guess, if you will. And so that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. I recommend people learning how to clean their aura, learning how to remove curses using just more magical means. Salt bath, cleaning your aura. That full moon meditation that I did, made a video of just, what, 2 moons ago? That's perfect. You can totally use that meditation to clean your aura and get rid of any magical attack. And not just that, just maybe a bad day at work, just gunk from living. And real quick, while we're on the subject, I just kind of want to go through a few things. Like, conflict is a normal part of this realm. The planet Mars isn't just a dusty ball in the sky. It's the god of war. It governs over this aspect of life. And though I don't agree with it, it is a part of life. This is something you're eventually probably going to have to deal with. And it's best to know how to handle yourself, you know. So this is an easy way to do it, super easy. Everyone should know how to do it. But there's a lot of people out there that think, oh, if someone attacks me, I'm just going to send love their way. And like, it doesn't really work like that. And first of all, there are innocent bystanders when it comes to magical attack. You might have a good backup, but not everyone you care about does, you know? So it's one of those things where you need to neutralize it right away and you need to deal with the person that's attacking you. It's just a fact of life. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this full moon, and hit the like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section, and video ideas, whatever. And again, I wish you guys all the best on your magical journey, and good luck with everything, and peace out.